In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Notion with make.com. So open up your make.com and then log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, click on the plus icon here, and then from the tools, just search for Notion. And then select search for Notion and you will get this Notion with the verified badge. Click on it. So once you click on it, and then here from the database item, choose what you want to do with Notion. So you can just choose any of these options from the available options. So what do you want to create or do with it? Just do that. So for example, let's say I want to create a, probably I'll just say create a database. So I'll just choose that for this demo. So choose that. Okay. And then once that's done, for the connection, click on create connection. Okay. So this will now create a connection. And then the connection type you can either choose as a public or an internal. So we'll just put our maybe internal. Okay, and then the connection name, you can select your connection name, and the integration token, this one you can get these. Okay, all right. So and then if you want to put it as public, you can click on this public option here, and then plug in your connection name and all those things, like your connection name. And then once that's done, you're going to hit on save. Okay, all right. So once that's done, hit on save. So once you have saved it, when you click on save, this will now take you to the authorization page here, where you go to authorize this. Okay, so it's now authorizing with Notion. So if you're already logged in with your Notion as well, that will be good too, but not mandatory. Okay, so this is going to take a little bit of while to authorize and get all the process done. Okay, so here you go to select the page that you want to connect with Notion. So on your Notion, you can click on the select pages option here to select the page, and then you can just choose the page, and then once you have chosen it, click on allow access, and this will now complete the authorization, and your Notion will be connected with your make.com. And then the final step, what you got to do is you got to select the page that you just connected. So selected, so hit on the select the page, give a title for this. Okay, so just give a title. So once that's done, all you can see that it's now connected. So your Notion has been connected. So once that's done, there you go. Your Notion has now been connected with make.com, and that's basically pretty much it is.